Hello, my friends. Spring is officially here. And around here in Western North Carolina, it is popping out everywhere. Now, where you live, it might be a little bit further behind. You may not have flowers quite yet, but you probably have buds if you go look closely. It is coming. And in today's video, Colby and I want to do something a little different than our usual gardening tips and tutorials. I'm Amy Landers with GardensThatMatter.com, where we believe your garden is the key to better food, a better life, and a better planet, now more than ever. And in this video, I want to share 3 things with you. First, we hope that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy with all that's going on with COVID-19 and all of those cascading effects. Second, we want to acknowledge our shared truth. This is a stressful time. There's so much fear and uncertainty swirling around. And while it's important to be cautious and follow public health guidelines so that we can keep each other safe, we also don't want to get panicked or paralyzed. That is no good for our immune systems or our mental health. Like you, we've been making lots of changes in our routines and our social activities as we both work from home and help our children learn from home. We've also been thinking about how to help our community, both our local neighbors and our online community. That's you. We have always been dedicated to helping you grow a garden that matters. And gardening never mattered more than it does right now. We need yards and balconies and window boxes full of food and beauty and connections to nature and to our families. When life is stressful, your garden is a place of refuge. When times are uncertain, you can grow joy and resilience in your garden. Our online classes are one of the best ways we can support you and serve as your guide in this gardening journey. Which brings me to the third thing I'd like to share with you today. We would love to give you complimentary access to any one of our introductory gardening courses. Yes, you heard that right. Through March 31st, you can come get access, free access, to the intro level training of your choice when you use the code GROWJOY at GardensThatMatter.com/shop. We'll include that link in the description, and let me tell you a little about the 4 courses you can choose from. If you're a beginner, Start Your First Garden gives you simple step-by-step plans for a successful first season. Do you want more butterflies and bees and hummingbirds in your garden? Take How to Grow a Pollinator Cafe. To learn more about making compost and building healthy soil, start with the Happy Garden Guide to Composting. It's an ebook and some quick start videos. Or share the joy of gardening with your whole family by enrolling in Gardening with Kids. When you find the class you want, you'll simply set up your account, use the code GROWJOY, and then get started. You get instant access to on-demand videos, there's audio for many of the courses, there's printable downloads, and all of our courses are family-friendly and can be accessed from any device. Now, if these intro classes aren't for you, we hope you'll share this info with others, and in the comments, let us know how else we can support you in your gardening journey. Now is the perfect time to be planning for and starting to plant your garden. We want this spring and summer to be remembered for more than just coronavirus. Let's do that together through the shared joy of gardening. From our family to yours, please be well, keep your spirits up, and continue growing better food, a better life, and a better planet. Until I see you again, happy gardening.